Ayash, show me the stationery items.
Okay. I have a scale. I have a pencil. I have a sharpener. I have a scale. I have a pen. I have a pencil.
The horse lives in,
Table.
lion lives in,
Ten.
rabbit lives in,
Burrow.
dog lives in.
Four.
Hmm.
Five.
Hmm.
7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है।
Good afternoon, all of you.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
Good afternoon.
Good
How are you
afternoon.
all?
I'm fine. I'm fine मैम।
Very good.
मैम आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
All are audible to me. Now all of you lock your hands. Very good, Itika. Very good, Raghav, Vivan, Shaurya, Manya, Ikshita, Parth, Kartik, Hardik. Very good. I'm going to share today's thought of the day. But before thought of the day, just tell me what is the day today?
Thursday.
Thursday. Very good. Thursday. And yesterday was?
It is our duty. It is our duty to save our environment's beauty. Very good.
Red.
Again red. Very nice. And then last one?
Ma'am. Green.
Very nice. Very good. Clap. Vivan, clap for yourself. Very nice. Clap, clap, clap. Very
Excellent,
nice.
Vivan.
Very good. Now, next one is
Okay, start. Be careful. Start. Yes.
They were good. This is unhealthy food. This is healthy food. We should eat healthy food.
Okay. What is this?
Healthy food.
This is?
Apple,
These are?
banana,
These are?
grapes,
And this is?
mango.
Very good. And this is?
Yeah. Pizza,
This?
burger,
And these are?
French fries.
Very good. And you like healthy food or unhealthy food?
Healthy food.
Good.
Okay, my poem is way down south. Way down south, where bananas grow, a grasshopper step.
Hi everyone, I am Reenu. My boy is studying in a school in first class section D, Hardik Chaudhary. I really appreciate to the management of the school of DMI that they took a very good decision for starting the Zoom classes in the lockdown period. Megha ma'am, Neeru ma'am is really taking care very well on the online. Hardik is also participating very well and he is doing his own work as like their teacher used to give.
Hello everyone, myself Pravneet Kaur. Both the kids are in DMI primary wing. One is in grade 2 and another is in grade 6. And daily they are attending the online classes conducted by the school. So first of all, I really want to thank you and appreciate the initiative taken by the DMA for conducting the online classes during this lockdown period. I really appreciate for this proactive approach by the DMA, the principal ma'am, the HM ma'am and the whole staff of DMA, and I am looking forward for the bright future of my kids as they are a part of the DMA. So thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.
Namaskar, myself Sunil Premi, father of Ipsita Premi. I am a bank manager. सबसे पहले मैं आप सभी से अपील करता हूं कि कोरोना की जंग में सरकार के प्रयासों को सफल बनाने के लिए हर संभव प्रयास करें व नियमों का पालन करें। DMI स्कूल के द्वारा शुरू की गई ऑनलाइन क्लास की व्यवस्था की मैं सराहना करता हूं और सभी टीचर्स का दिल से अभिनंदन करता हूं।
Hello everyone, I am Iram Siddiqui. My daughter Aishal Siddiqui studies in class 3D in DMA primary wing. Lower grades of school are absolutely amazing. Third grade academic support is outstanding. School did an outstanding job organizing distance learning through online classes, which is a decent alternative in this crucial time of COVID-19. Since I assess my kids while doing an online class, I have noticed that teachers really care about the students as individuals. All the teachers have been really concerned and have listening ear. I really appreciate the teachers of DMA, as in the time of quarantine, people are spending more and more time with their families, but these unsung heroes are preparing notes, PDFs, solving queries, teaching online, which I personally feel is a more hectic than usual school duty. I appreciate the school staff and principal ma'am for using best mode available to keep educating children. DMA has excelled in the field of education. I am sure my daughter will continue to advance in her education and etiquette while learning in this school. Thank you.
आपने जो ऑनलाइन कक्षाएं शुरू की हैं उससे ज़्यादा हमारी शिक्षा प्रभावित नहीं होगी और ये आपका जो प्रयास है बहुत ही सराहनीय है। बच्चे जो ऑनलाइन कक्षाएं देख रहे हैं और उस पर आप उनको सिखा रही है वो बहुत सीख रहे हैं। बच्चा जिज्ञासु होता है, उनको भी एक नई चीज़ दिखाई दी है कि ये हम घर बैठे कैसे पढ़ सकते हैं। और आपने जो आपका बोलने का ढंग, उनको बताने का ढंग वो बहुत अच्छा है। मैंने भी 2 दिन क्लासेस देखी हैं।
Hello, I am Naman Kumar from class 6D. I love to attend the maths class because sir teaches us very easy method so we can understand in very easily way. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Anishka Jain of class 12C from DMA. During this difficult phase when the entire world is fighting against deadly COVID-19, our school students are leading a very happy and regular school life sitting right back at home. Our school is providing recorded video lectures on YouTube, regular assignments and the most constructive online classes which are conducted by the teachers under the guidance of management. We are also given allotted time, and as per the given schedule, I am pretty much enjoying attending the classes. Let's see what my mother has to say about it.
इसके बच्चों की क्लासें बहुत अच्छी चल रही हैं। बच्चे सुबह उठ जाते हैं, अपने काम में लगे रहते हैं। जो बच्चों को असाइनमेंट मिल रहा है वो समय में पूरे कर के रहते हैं। और इसी तरह कोरोना वायरस की वजह से ये परेशानी आगे भी रही, तो इसी तरह क्लासें चलती रहनी चाहिए जिससे बच्चों को आगे पढ़ाई में कोई परेशानी ना हो।
The classes are going on quite smoothly. I am really glad that our school has taken such a sniffing initiative towards the implement of these online classes. My school DMA has once again proved that it is a school with 21st century education where learning never stops.
Hi everybody, this is Sophie Medhavi from Dayavati Modi Academy, Meerut. Since last 30 to 40 days, we have been staying at our homes due to this lockdown. But I'm really glad that our school is taking sniffing initiative towards the implementation of these online classes. The online classes are going very smoothly and are really very interactive due to the explanations and demonstration given by our teachers. The notes, audios, videos, whatever we have been provided through the YouTube or WhatsApp are really very effective. For this, I would like to thank our school faculty for taking such an effort and bringing it to a success. I would request everybody out there to stay indoors and fight this deadly disease. Stay home, stay safe and stay positive. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Atiksha Bansal of class 12C. On being asked what my reviews and feedback are on the online classes, I had only one thing and one feeling in my heart and mind, that I couldn't be more grateful to be a part of the ever diligent DMA family. With Corona hitting every dimension of life, people being locked up in their own homes, the only thing that kept us, the students, moving with the same pace as before are the online classes being conducted by our very dear teachers in accordance to our very wisely drafted timetable, providing aid through the self-taught YouTube videos and very smartly scripted assignments. The teachers make sure that we, the students, utilize our time in its true sense. And with regular doubt-solving sessions and frequent memory revision tests, the teachers guarantee knowledge being inculcated in our minds to the utmost. In addition to that, the families are very happy too, for they see their kids doing something productive, something useful, apart from just scrolling down the news feeds. Let's have a look what my father has to say regarding the same.
ऑनलाइन की वजह से बच्चों की पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही है, इस वजह से सुबह जल्दी उठ रहे हैं।
I pray for everyone's good health. Stay healthy, stay happy. Keep learning, keep reading. Take care.